He did not belong to, he even said that I did not belong to any of this thing, but I have love for Biafra and I have love for what Simon Ekpa is doing.
What's your take as a guy?
Yeah, God bless you. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. I give God the glory because this one is no longer coming from Igbo man. This is an Isha man, a Benin man, showcasing his love. It's a person that is is viral, and that is a viral man in terms of his video. Are you getting it? He's very viral. You understand? He's a content creator and he's a viral person in video. And I've watched most of his videos on internet, not just all this backyard, on internet. So he came up, he showed his love for Biafra. He did not belong to, he even said that I did not belong to any of this thing, but I have love for Biafra and I have love for what Simon Ekpa is doing. And now is portraying the same thing more by even giving a kind of push on his own, without involving Simon Ekpa or anything Biafra, on his own, pushing it to the Canadian government, inviting them to please support those people, the Biafrans. You understand? Him on his own, sending the message. You understand? Drawing the attention of the Canadian government and the president to pay attention. You understand? Towards Biafra and to support and to partner so that Biafra will stand. That he himself have looked as a Nigerian, he have looked into these Biafran issues and he have discovered that through Igbo people, the Biafrans are truly being marginalized. They are being humiliated. So many atrocities have been taken. You know, after 1967, in 2015, look at the way Buhari came up to 2017 Operation Python Dance to ransack you, to kill, to murder, and nobody even said anything. But such a thing have never taken place in Yoruba land nor in the Fulanis, in the northern part of Nigeria. And these people are the one, and the Fulanis are the one causing serious problem, havoc in Nigeria. Even as I talk to you, you understand? So the young man have a clip of many things. You understand? So he was vibrating so seriously. He was not happy, and I am happy. Do you know why I say I'm happy? It's no longer the Igbo thing. It is now Benin, a Benin man. A Benin man. You know, that is to tell you, a truthful man is a truthful man. Somebody who loves truth will always stand on the truth, irrespective of where you come from. It doesn't matter. You see, and that is why this, what is his name? This Moka Felice that threatens Obi, that Obi has crossed his line of speaking the truth. You see it now, which he later was like crying, complaining that there are over 200 people have threatened his life over that. You understand me? You see, when you see, that is to tell you that when you see the truth, please engage on the truth, embrace the truth, walk by the truth, and follow the truth, and love it. That is what the man has just did. Thank you.
Okay, that's what the man just. Okay, but with this now, with him pleading, because he has a big social media, yes, big love and big social media audience on the internet as regards, you know, people following him. But with this now, as regards Ekpa's Finland updates. Okay, so with this now, with Austin coming out to profess his love and you know, tell the Canadian government to support Ekpa, do you think the Finnish government will hear this plea?
Of course, they should, and they would, and they might have. They might, and they might have even hear him. Because this is coming from another source. And they will use it, I believe, by hearing him or listening to him. They will pay attention to it. This is another source, not from the very point we are in. You understand? So this is another. That means actually people are now speaking on behalf of these people. So we have to play full support on these people. Yeah, yes. Don't you know that it's passing an information of truth? Don't you know? And then themselves, they are grabbing the truth through this. That is how to get information, and that's how to get truth. If you want to find out some truth, don't go to the person, in quote. Go to the other people that are not actually being involved in the matter. You understand? From there, you get the truth. So all these things, they are figuring it out, bringing it to gather the information that is necessary for them, so that when they shall rise to stand, and they will stand firm.
Okay, but he said like he doesn't partake, or he's not a partaker of
There
this.
is not a member. What he means as it's not a Biafra, neither is he an IPOB member.
So
he did not belong to any other. He's just a man of himself.
So he said, Ekpa is the one really fighting for the Igbos. Why the IPOB, the DOS here in Nigeria, are the one causing problem to the people of the Igbos? Do you?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. He's a neutral man. That's like I said before. He's a man that loves truth, that loves speaking truth, and he has made his findings, and he has discovered that DOS are the people who started with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. At the end of the day, they betray him. Nigeria used DOS to betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So Simon Ekpa is a man on a neutral that is different from all those DOS in which Nigeria have tried to buy him over, and he refused. You understand? He stood on his ground to continue where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has stopped. You understand? So the DOS now, they're on their own working for Nigerian government. That is what the man meant. And what he said is true. And that's just the pure truth. They are working for Nigeria. And that, okay, ever since that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whom they claim that is their leader, was kidnapped, what have they done? Have you ever seen them do anything or make any move to Nigerian government or to the people of the world? They are just there receiving their salary from the government of Nigeria. They are paying. You understand? That's why if you watch, if you speak against the US, the next thing, because that is the system of the government, you dare speak, you dare not speak against them. You don't speak against their evil that they are doing. Once you speak, they have received warning before from the DOS. They have one time warned me because I saw their post and I give them back. I replied them. They say I should not dare talk to DOS like that. I say, why won't I speak to DOS people like that when they are doing things wrong? You understand? Look at him, the one that call himself a man powerful. What has he ever done? Ever since your master was kidnapped and detained illegally, what has he done? What has he? Nothing. Both here in Nigeria and Ghana, where he's running business, nothing. What have they done? Nothing. For the freedom of their master, nothing. So the guy was right. The guy was right. See how the young man Simon Ekpa push just to free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Push for us to have freedom. Up till now. And the decision that was given to them was based on the same push, the same thing, agitation of freedom, Biafra, which where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now as a result of freedom. That's why he's suffering what he's suffering. These are the real people, not the DOS. Not the DOS. Look at the people that are in the land suffering. Do you know what it means to leave a house and stay in the bush? For your safety. You understand? And for your own good. Easy to stay in the bush. Easy for you to have your freedom. If not for them being in the bush, you will not have freedom to waka for that road. Even you will not have freedom to sleep in your house and wake up in the next morning. So those people deserve some kudos, respect. They deserve some honor. I still respect them because it's not easy. You know what they are going through in the bush? You understand? So I respect them and God will continue to strengthen them. Yes. So that is at the point that the man was trying to point out. If you think it's easy, go and try it now. If you think it's easy, try. Even in the front, your house where you are living, please, in the night, come outside, sleep outside.
People do sleep outside.
People sleep outside, they put something, and they don't sleep till daybreak. Because you are scared of python. You'll be scared of some deadly animals. You understand? And these people don't care because they have sacrificed their life because of one thing. And that one thing is what? Biafra. Simon Ekpa is suffering it. Mazen Namdekano on it. Those guys too, in their own way, suffering it in the bush. May God bless them. It's not easy. That is the point that the young man is trying. The DOS that you are talking about, the DOS themselves, they are living in their own places, enjoying themselves. They don't send you. They don't care. And they are there talking.
But the DOS themselves, they will look, they will say the man, just like he said, is not any part of, is not in any part of Biafra. So what's his own business?
And let them see.
They say he doesn't know what's really going on between both camps, between the autopilot camp and the DOS.
Who tell you that he didn't know?
He didn't know.
He knows. If he didn't know, he will not speak. If you listen to the man's video, if you listen to his video, you know that he knows what he's saying. He checkmate everything, even the movement of the governor of his state. Listen to him. He will tell you every movement of his governor. He said it. He even said the category, the way his governor behaved, the kind of entourage and whatsoever he moved with. He even said how the election, how Obaseki being dethroned, how the game was played politically in Oba Palace. You understand? The guy knows what he's saying. He has people. He say he has boys. He has men. You understand? And everything. You know, as it is now, phone, you know, any smart thing, pam. You know, everything is as fast as. So he has concrete information of everything. You understand? That's why the young man is not happy. He's not happy. That these people, these things should, okay, for your information, see the way Nigeria is going. See the way Fulani from nowhere enter Nigeria, killing. See to the extent they have entered West in front of Makinde or your state, they have started killing him. Just, you know, my brother, the young man, I love his spirit. And I love that. You know, if you watch him, you know that I say strong person coming out, a kind of smoking and ready. Not to even stand no, he just want on his own, standing on his own, selfly to fight for Biafra, to support Biafra, to back Biafra as his capacity could reach, as his strength can carry him, and God will bless him for that. Thank you.
They should go and invoke the spirit of Ogumola. They should know that they have a war to fight. Fulani war has come. Enough of drinking and smoking and not this challenge attitude. Before Fulani gather one day and overrun you. Ibadan is a very big city. To the extent that no war can enter there and come out. I'm not sure. I think Seyi Makinde should stop all this Delenke attitude and all this lackadaisical attitude towards Amotekun. If the personnel of Amotekun is not enough, employ more. If there is another means to strengthen them, strengthen them. This thing is becoming so alarming. And Yoruba will say, "Ine ṣiṣi òkè ìjọyàn lẹ́ẹ̀mejì." but Inesisi, we have seen that this Inesisi has been especially in Oyo State. Oyo State has always been vulnerable when we talk about Fulani. I don't know what make Oyo State to be so attractive to them. They want to take over Oyo State. Yes.
I don't think because you have a big land mass.
If you have big land mass, is the Oyo State land mass reach Niger State? Let me tell you, if I'm not mistaken, all the land we have in Southwest, put them together, I'm not thinking they are as big as Niger State.
Bigger than Oyo. I think Oyo is one of the largest.
Land mass.
Yeah, land mass. I think Oyo is second to Cairo.
There is no state that has land mass like Niger State. Niger State has land mass like almost the land of the whole Southwest. They have a very fast land mass. I think they are the biggest. So why not go to that place? If Borno we have land more than Oyo, the Boko Haram, they are their brother. They should have just go and play there. Because the government of Ibon, why concentrating on Oyo now? So this one, Oyo people, they should know that the war is at their back. And Ibadan, they will say, go worry. Ibadan people, they should know that the war is in their back door now. And they should rise up. They should go and invoke the spirit of Ogumola. They should know that they have a war to fight. Fulani war has come. Enough of drinking and smoking and not this challenge attitude. Before Fulani gather one day and overrun you. Ibadan is a very big city. To the extent that no war can enter there and come out. I'm not sure. But they should not relent. They should not relent. They should invoke. They should go and invoke their spirit, the spirit of Ogumola, Ibikunle, Ilu Ojo, Ogba Awolodo Keri one. They should just go and bring it out. So go to all of, because if they think that it is happening around maybe Okeogun, Ibarapa, if they kill your brother and you think nothing happened to you, then you'll be the next target. If they take over that place, Ibadan will be the next target. So people of Oyo and their governor, they should not relent and make sure that they kick those bastards out. They kick them out. Anyone that does not ready to live according to the law of land, it should be dealt with. Not that they will be treating them with a kid glove, that one police will be dictating for. Do the needful to do all these people. If you catch them, do the needful. Do the needful. Declare war if you want to. If you go, when Modeke and Ife, if it is brother to brother, now we will know how to fight each other. If it is Modeke and Ife, they will know how to kill each other. But when the Fulani man come from outside, come and deal with us, we will fold our hand like this. We will be watching. That is cowardly. That is nonsense. That is stupidity. So I challenge them that they should do so. They should do the needful. And if it is war, let's start it now. If they want to make it war, let's start it. Killing Benny got to do Uruma, it's about panic, let's for you now. Let's make, if it is a war, they want the war. Give them the war now. Give them the war. Let's settle this matter once and for all. When Buhari was there, they are intimidating us. Buhari left there. Tinubu is still there. They are still intimidating us. So they should just look for any means they know to keep those people silent. And that's what I was complaining about. If Sunday Igboho should have concentrated on dealing with the Fulani, not deviate to Yoruba agitation. Yoruba agitation that make Sunday Igboho not to be free again. He's not a free man again in Nigeria. If maybe people are even accusing Tinubu, it's not in Nigeria. It's in UK. It's not in Nigeria. Except he has something special to do in Nigeria, he will come and go. So if you say he stay on his lane of dealing with the Fulani, honestly speaking, I love it in that way. You should have left Yoruba agitation alone for Baba Banji Akintoye. Baba Banji Akintoye, it would have been better, so that we'll be able to concentrate on this. So
there's nobody now fighting now for the Southwest.
I trust Igboho when it comes to that kind of fighting. I trust him more than others, more than Baba Gani Adams. Baba Baba has enjoyed life. I'm not ready. I'm not sure Baba is ready. If Baba want to go, Baba will not follow anybody into bush now. Baba will just send one Hakim and Sule to go and be doing the work. But I trust Igboho that Igboho will lead the battle. Igboho will lead the battle. So that's my point.
Well, people say so they go fought any war and come out successful in time past.
Then they go fought Ife Amodekeke war now. He was a warlord.
Enlighten our listener
Eh?
Enlighten our listener on that war.
The war of between Ife and Modakeke, it's a common story. It was one local government secretariat that caused wahala at that time, and Modakeke and Ife they fought for I couldn't remember how many years, but the war lasted. The war lasted for several years, like 4 or 5 years, before Obasanjo settled it for them. So many lives was lost. If you reach Ife. If you reach Ife, up to this moment, you will still see the traces. I don't know how maybe this place has come back to life. I've been into Abraka 1, Abraka Lane 1, Abraka Lane 2, Lane 3. I've been there before. If you see a whole street like this become bush, a whole street that you yourself, you will know when you reach it, you will know that it was a bubbling street before. Turn to go bush. So it was a very bad word that we don't pray for or it again, which Sunday Igboho was part of people that fight that war. We have some other people in Yoruba land that are like that, but it's only Sunday Igboho that I know and I trusted. So other people that they know that they can lead this battle, they should just let us fight this battle once and for all. We know that these Fulani people, they will not let us rest. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. The one that we fought the other time, Ogojalumi, it was in Osogbo. They stopped them. Now they have come in again, which Yorubas will not relent. We should stand up. We should stand up and let them know that whenever they come, we are ready for them. Not that we will be crying every day. They are killing us. So they kidnap us there. They rape us.